शेड्यूल, ईमेल्स, बेसिक टास्क। यदि परिवार का कोई सदस्य, रिश्तेदार या कोई अन्य आपको बर्बाद करने के लिए आपको गुलाम समझना, झूठ बोलना, ढींग हाँकना, चुगली करना, प्रशंसा करना, चापलूसी करना, प्रेरित करना, भड़काना, रोना या कोई अन्य नौटंकी करना आदि कार्य करता है तो यह कार्य दुश्मनी निभाना है। कार्य दुश्मनी निभाना है। इसमें आधा सच बताना या मैनिपुलेट करना भी शामिल है। उसको 3 चीजें पहली ही मीटिंग में सबसे पहले क्लियर कर दें। 1, आप किसी के गुलाम नहीं है। 2, आप काबिल, अनुभवी और मेहनती हैं और आप अपनी जिम्मेवारी पूरी ईमानदारी से निभा रहे हैं। 3, आपको कुछ अधिकार है तो कुछ कर्तव्य भी है जो आप नहीं निभा रहे हैं। जब से तुम इस घर में से जुड़े हो या जब से तुमने होश संभाला है, तुमको प्रायोरिटी ऑफ वर्क बता दिया गया है। तुमको अपनी 1 अर्निंग वर्क, 2 हाउस वर्क, 3 फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, 4 मेडिकल एक्टिविटी, 5 स्टडी आदि कार्य पूरा करके हर रोज की कार्य की प्रगति के बारे में सूचित करना है। सारे परिवार के सदस्य और रिश्तेदार चाहते हैं कि 1, वह कोई जिम्मेवारी न निभाए और सब उसकी गुलामी करें। 2, कैसे भी पैसे कमाए और उनको दे। 3, आप सफल हो और सारा क्रेडिट और नाम उनका हो और सारी बुराई आपको मिले। कुछ रिश्तेदार और लोग परिवार में कोई जिम्मेवारी नहीं निभाते और परिवार को तोड़ने के लिए और बच्चों को के सामने अच्छा बनने के लिए कहते हैं कि बच्चों को कोई काम नहीं करना चाहिए और वह खुद अपने बच्चों को अपना गुलाम समझते हैं। बच्चों को कहते हैं कि पापा को समझाओ, पापा को ये कहो। महिलाओं को कहते हैं कि अपने घर में अपने पति को बताओ कि ऐसे करना है, ये करना है, ये नहीं करना है। तो यह झगड़ा लगवाना है क्योंकि एक राय से ही घर चलता है और अगर सब घर में अपनी मन की चलने लग जाती है तो घर टूट जाता है। अगर किसी बच्चे को, महिलाओं को या घर के किसी सदस्य को बिगाड़ना है तो उनके उन कामों की तारीफ करो जिससे घर बिगड़ता हो और उन कामों की तारीफ करो जिससे वह खुश होते हों। बच्चों को 3 तरह के काम होते हैं। 1, वह काम जो बच्चे खुद कर सकते हैं। 2, वह काम जो बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स के गाइडेंस में कर सकते हैं। 3, वह काम जो बच्चे नहीं कर सकते और कानून से भी उन कामों को करने से मना किया गया है। वह परिवार के संसाधनों, अनुभव और प्रभाव का इस्तेमाल और बर्बाद करके केवल अपने निजी फायदा, प्रभाव और नंबर बनाने के लिए हर जगह और सबके सामने झूठ बोलती है और डींग हाँकती है या आधा सच बोलती है या मैनिपुलेट करके बोलती है या केवल अपना पक्ष रखती है या केवल अपने फायदे की बात करती है। उसके द्वारा या उसके परिवार के द्वारा बार बार झूठ बोलते और डींग हाँकने से उनका झूठ और डींग ही उनको सच लगता है। वे उसको ही सच मानते हैं। जब हम उनको सच बताते हैं या गलत काम करने में उनको कोई हिचक नहीं होती, लेकिन वह बात उनको बताई जाए तो वह गाली गलौज, मारपीट करने लग जाते हैं और लग जाती है। उसको हम अपने घर में उसकी झूठ ढींग सुनने के लिए तथा सच बात ना बोलने के लिए तो नहीं पाल रहे हैं। उसको तथा उसके परिवार को तथा अन्य रिश्तेदार और लोगों को हम अब पहचानते हैं। तो अब यह निर्णय लेना है कि किसके साथ कैसा व्यवहार करना है। Profit. All members will learn this page, watch this video, take class on one page, give and present progress report on given 5 work daily. Trade between 9 to 3:30 and enjoy by following timetable. If you are not following, then you want your progress and appreciation by destroying family. 33K channel for providing data. Our family business is option trading. We are option trader with skills and experience of setting a stop loss. Members are not performing their responsibilities towards all, and members complained that they were kept vulnerable. They could not use facilities. They could not enjoy. The answer is, I am performing my all responsibilities. You are old enough to make yourself physically and mentally strong, politically, legally, and socially empowered, and enjoy your life by following all types of rules. Provide list of work which can be done by less than 14 years, more than 14 years, and more than 16 years old children from home. Meta AI answer. Here are some online opportunities suitable for different age groups. Less than 14 years. 1. Creating digital art or graphics. 2. Writing stories or poetry. 3. Making videos or animations for online quizzes or games. Educational. 5. Helping with simple tasks. Example, data entry under adult supervision. P. Participating in kid-friendly online surveys. 7. Creating and selling handmade products with parental guidance. More than 14 years. 1. Freelance writing or editing. 2. Virtual assistants, data entry, research for online tutoring if they excel in a particular subject. 4. Social media management for small businesses. 5. Creating and selling digital products. Example, ebooks, templates. 6. Online survey or market research. 7. Participating in online gig economy. Example, Fiverr, TaskRabbit. More than 16 years. 1. Freelance writing or editing. More advanced. 2. Digital marketing, social media management, SEO. 3. Virtual assistants, more complex tasks for online tutoring various subjects. 5. Creating and selling online courses. 6. YouTube or Twitch streaming. 7. Affiliate marketing. 8. Selling products online. Example, eBay, Amazon, Shopify. Important consideration. 1. Ensure parental consent and supervision if under 18. 2. Follow platform terms and conditions. 3. Prioritize education and well-being for develop necessary skills and knowledge. Be cautious of scam or exploitative opportunities. Some popular platform for kids and teens includes 1. Fiverr, freelance services. 2. Upwork, freelance work. 3. Freelance competitive bidding for online tutoring platform like TutorMe or Chegg. 5. Survey platform like SurveyJunkie or Swagbucks. ChatGPT answer. Here are categorized list of age groups less than 14 years with parental supervision. Chores. 1. Chores course for pocket money, cleaning, organizing, gardening. 2. Craft making, create and sell handmade cards, Rakhi, etc. 3. Drawing and painting, sell artwork locally or online. 8 basic cooking, baking, sell snacks with adult help. 5 singing or storytelling videos share on YouTube. Parent manage. 6 helping siblings with homework or small rewards. 7 recycling and reselling, collect and organize items to sell locally. 14 years 1 tutoring younger students local or online. 2 blogging or writing on hobbies, schools tips, etc. 3 basic graphic designing using Canva. 4 managing social media for family businesses or neighborhood. 5 reselling old items, books, toys, stationery. 6 data entry easy task for known contacts. 7 participating in competitions, essay writing, art, etc. with rewards. 16 years 1 freelance writing, designing, video editing on platform like Fiverr, Upwork with ID proofs. 2 online tutoring even for board exams. 2 affiliate marketing or door shopping with learning and guidance. 4 YouTube, Instagram content creation, tech, art, education, fun videos. 5 voice over work for stories, AX or audiobooks. 6 virtual assistants, managing tasks for small businesses. 7 app testing or website feedback on legit platform. 8 online course creation, tech skills like math, art, coding. Provide list of work which can be done by less than 14 years old children, more than 14-year-old children, more than 16-year-old children in Delhi, India. There are 3 types of work for children. 1 children can do alone. 2 children can do under parents guidance. 3 work which is legally prohibited and children cannot do those work. Meta AI answer. Work opportunity for children in Delhi, India, less than 14 years old. Family businesses. Children can work in non-hazardous family enterprises such as family-owned shops or small businesses. Entertainment industry. Children can work as child artists in films, television, advertisement or other sports activities provided their work doesn't interfere with their education. Audio-visual entertainment. Children can participate in audio-visual entertainment like films or TV shows under certain conditions and safety measures. More than 14 years old, 14 to 18 years old, non-hazardous occupations. Adolescents can work in establishment notified by the government or non-hazardous such as family businesses. Work in a family-owned businesses like jewelry shops. A child artist acting in Bollywood movies or advertisements. Restrictions. Adolescents cannot work in hazardous occupations such as mining. No employment in mining or mining activities. Manufacturing. No operations of heavy machinery or equipment. Chemical industries, no handling of chemical or hazardous materials. Fireworks and explosive, no manufacturing, handling or storage of firework or explosive. More than 16 years old, same opportunities as 14 to 18 years old with additional possibilities, increased flexibility, more opportunities for part-time or freelance work depending on school schedule and interest. Apprenticeship, potential for apprenticeship or vocational training in specific industries. Keep in mind that these opportunities are subject to Indian labor laws and regulation which prioritize children's education, safety and well-being. Answer by ChatGPT. Here are tailor order list of children and teens in Delhi, India, grouped by age and with suitable for them. What's suitable for them? Less than 14 years, only light non-commercial activities under parental supervision. 1 course, chores for pocket money, cleaning, gardening, organizing books. 2 art and craft, making rakhi, cards, painting to sell to friends, family. 3 pet care or dog walking for neighbors. 4 basic computer skills, practice typing, MS Point or coding games like Scratch. 5 story reading, recording for YouTube. Parent manage. 6 helping siblings with homework on small rewards. 7 recycling drive, collect and sort newspapers, plastic for resale. More than 14 years allowed to do some part-time non-hazardous work. 1 tutoring younger kids subjects like English, math, Hindi to social media help for family business or local shops. 3 selling handmade items, bracelets, art, baked goods for online service, safe sites with adult guidance. 5 data entry or typing jobs, light tasks via trusted sources. 6 volunteering, NGOs, animal shelters. 7 blogging or YouTube educational creative content, monetize later. 8 app testing, simple feedback for developers. More than 16 years can legally work part-time with more flexibility. 1 freelancing, content writing, graphic designing, video editing, Fiverr, Upwork. 2 online tutoring for class 6 to 10 students. 3 selling online used books, clothes, art via Instagram, WhatsApp, OLX. 4 internship with startups or local businesses, part-time online. 5 blogging and affiliate marketing, earn via clicking and sales. 6 digital marketing help for small businesses or tutoring centers. 7 coding, web designing, building sites or portfolios. 8 virtual assistance work, managing schedule, emails, basic tasks.